Hi everyone and welcome. Turner Hastings are excited to present to you our new Titan Cast bath range, now with an integrated overflow. That means that all our Titan Cast baths, except for the Blanche bath, now come with an integrated overflow. So I'll just point over here. This is a new integrated overflow, which is a beautiful and neat, innovative design, which is different to other baths on the market which have the external overflow. Now, the external overflow is sometimes not as aesthetically pleasing, and also this may require additional cleaning. Now, the reason that we've launched these baths with the internal overflow is due to new government laws, which require you essentially, if you have a new bathroom build with a bathtub in there, number one, you either need to have a bath with an overflow, or number two, you need to have an external flow waste to allow the water to filter there. And I just wanted to explain one more great feature about our baths. Being Titan Cast, which is a material that we mix within the bath, it actually makes it lighter. And these Titan Cast baths are 20% lighter than other baths on the market. This is great, especially if you have a second story a bathroom, or if you have multi-level residential bathrooms. This is more lightweight and it's a beautiful design. So we hope you enjoyed this video and we hope you love our baths as much as we do. Bye.